As the sun sets on the iconic pick-apart pink car that has been seen in Chilliwack along the TransCanada highway for nearly 30 years. Some people wonder the story. The story goes like this: the property for the pick-apart area was originally bought by John Davy in 1990. He wanted to build something unique, something special they could see from the highway. So he asked the city for the largest, highest sign that he could put up, which was that one there. While he was out looking for cars to fill his yard, which now you can see is empty because it's been all cleared out, he came across that hot pink 74 to 76 Duster right there. Picked it up for $100. Some kids had painted it hot pink for a grad party. When he brought it to the yard, one of his staff says, "You want something unique? Put that car on top of that sign." The rest is history. He says, "Freaking great idea." Of course, city came along later and they wanted him to take it down because he's now over the height restrictions. He told them to stuff it. Over the years, he has had painted it several times. The secret is Sherwin Williams hot pink household paint, not automotive quality. In fact, he says the inside of that car is in pretty rough shape. The windows are out of it, so it's been suffering in the elements for the last 30 years. He even had headlights put into it to keep it visible from the highway at night. So, really, the only question I really have is, how the hell do those headlights stay on for that long? I want to buy a couple of those for myself because you don't get those in my car. Thank you. Not to mention the damn trains that come through here all the time. The iconic pink pick-apart car has been seen in Chilliwack along the TransCanada Highway 1 for nearly 30 years. John Davy bought the property in 1990 for his do-it-yourself automotive yard. And he wanted the highest and largest sign the city would allow. He wanted something special to be seen visible from the highway. While purchasing cars for his do-it-yourself yard, he paid $100 for a 74 to 76 Plymouth Duster, hot pink, that was painted that way for a grad party. When he brought it in, one of his staff suggested, "You want something unique? Why don't you put that car on top of the sign?" The rest is history. He made sure the headlights stayed on all day and all night to catch even more attention. The city wanted him to take it down as he was now over the height restrictions. He told them to stuff it. Over the years, it has been repainted several times in household Sherwin Williams hot pink by the gallon. Not automotive paint. While it looks good from a distance, he said it was in rather rough shape inside from being exposed to the elements. As you can see, some of the windows are missing. Many are wanting to have it restored or put into the nearest roundabout. After he sells the property, he would like it to stay. I'll tell you what I want to know. What I want to know is how those headlights have stayed on for nearly 30 years. I want to buy a couple of those bulbs because you can't get cars like that today.